Welcome to the enchanting landscape of Monmouthshire, Wales, where the formidable Raglan Castle stands as a sentinel of history, a testament to power, and a canvas for epic tales. Constructed in the 15th century by Sir William Ap Thomas, a veteran of the 100 Years' War, Raglan Castle was designed to be a fortress like no other. Its great tower, a hexagonal marvel, is perhaps its most iconic feature, uniquely surrounded by its own moat. The castle was later inherited by William Herbert, the first Earl of Pembroke. A key supporter of King Edward IV during the Wars of the Roses, Herbert was a man of ambition and vision. He expanded the castle, adding luxurious elements like the long gallery and ornate gardens. Narrator, Herbert's loyalty to the Yorkist cause was unyielding. He was captured and executed after the Battle of Edgecote Moor, but his legacy lived on through his descendants, who continued to hold the castle for generations. Raglan Castle was not just a military stronghold, it was a symbol of social status. Its fountain court and pitched stone court showcased the family's wealth, while its intricate design elements reflected the Renaissance influences of the time. However, the castle's grandeur would face its ultimate test during the English Civil War. Raglan was a royalist stronghold, and in 1646, it found itself besieged by Parliamentary forces. For 14 grueling weeks, the castle's defenders held out, making it one of the longest sieges of the war. Despite their valiant efforts, they were eventually forced to surrender, and the castle fell into the hands of the Parliamentarians. To prevent any future military use, the conquering forces partially destroyed the castle, leaving it in a state of romantic ruin. Yet, even in its decay, Raglan Castle has an undeniable allure. Today, the castle is a popular tourist destination, drawing visitors from around the world. They walk through the grand halls, climb the towers, and explore the underground passages, all while imagining the epic tales that unfolded within these walls. Educational exhibits breathe life into its history, offering insights into the castle's architectural innovations, its role in political struggles, and the legendary figures who once called it home. From its origins as a symbol of nobility to its role in epic battles, from the grand visions of William Herbert to the relentless sieges it endured, Raglan Castle remains a lasting monument to Wales' rich and turbulent history.